In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a forgotten password for Wealthfront. Sometimes we all misplace passwords or simply can't remember that one important combination. Thankfully, regaining access doesn't have to be a daunting task. Today, we'll walk through a simple process to help you reset your password with Wealthfront hassle-free, ensuring you can get back on top of your finances smoothly. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is open a web browser and visit the Wealthfront website. It's always a good idea to double check you're on the official site to ensure your information stays secure. Once you've landed on wealthfront.com, look for the login section, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. Have a look around the page to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. Once you've located the login area, you'll see options like your username and password fields. But since we're here to recover a forgotten password, find the link that says Forgot Password. This is typically located below the login fields. Go ahead and click on that link. It will take you to the password recovery page. This is where the magic happens to get you back on track. Now that you're on the password recovery page, you'll be prompted to enter your registered email address. Make sure to input the email linked to your Wealthfront account. This is an important step because this is how Wealthfront verifies that it's really you trying to access your account. If you're unsure which email you used, take a moment to check through your emails for any correspondence from Wealthfront that might give you a clue. Once you're sure, enter the email address into the provided field. Next, hit the Submit button. This submits your request to reset your password, triggering an email to be sent to you containing further instructions. It might take a few moments for the email to arrive, so be patient. Remember to check your spam or junk mail folder if you don't see it in your inbox after a few minutes, just in case it ended up there by accident. If for some reason you encounter any difficulty during this process, like not receiving the reset email, it might be a good time to reach out directly for support. On the same password recovery page, you'll see an option mentioning contact support. Use the provided email address, typically something like support@wealthfront.com, mail to support@wealthfront.com, to reach out for further help. They're there to assist you and ensure you can regain access promptly. And there you have it, your guide to recovering a forgotten password on Wealthfront. Just follow these steps and you'll be navigating your account in no time. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this helps keep your financial journey uninterrupted.